Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, here. So we are in Yahoo Finance right now, and we are looking to get some data from crypto based on the history that they have, or whatever stocks may be, even if it's Forex trading. Yahoo Finance, you can type finance.yahoo.com and you'll be able to actually get the info that's there. That's where you'll be able to look at what you need, and if you're able to try and study a certain stock based on a business or a company, right? So for instance, if we're going for a company stock, right, say we'll do Apple, right? With Apple Incorporated, we go there, we click on it, let it load, and we're seeing all these closed range and all this other stuff, the volume and the number of trades that they've done. That's the number of volume that they have here. So we go to statistics, we see the stuff that's there, and we see everything that's varied, a bunch of analytical stuff that needs to be done. Right. So this could be downloaded in CSV, but you have to do a financial access plus essential access in order for that to get paid, in order for this to work. Right. So $35 a month if you actually choose to do that. It's just extremely brutal, and you do all these reports and you do all these crazy analytics if you actually choose to go that route. Right. So we go down the chart, we look into certain ordeals, we see the interactive chart that's shown mathematically. We go down to historical data, basically over the range. You click on the data that's shown, actually give an anticipated prediction, whether it's machine learning, and then you would click download here, where I'm going, and then it automatically gives you the CSV file to actually run in on Python. So it's not just limited to any stock that they have. Cryptocurrency, they also have that as well. When it comes to Bitcoin, we do Bitcoin as an example. Same thing, go to historical data. Same way, you click download, they're automatically going to print you the CSV. Basically, that's set up over the year. And you can click on time period. You can do like 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and they'll be able to actually give you the same profile as well. And they have a bunch of finance they could definitely do, because this type of finance is mainly limited toward basically American stocks as well as cryptocurrency, and they got a lot of advancements there. But all of this is mainly irrelevant at that point, but at least you have an idea of where all these crypto and stocks, where they mainly come from. Alright, just to actually give you a heads up.